This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Roblox player from crashing. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A consistent connection is crucial. Next, verify your device meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, such as having at least 1 GB of RAM. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications running on your computer or mobile device to free up valuable system resources, which can significantly improve performance and prevent unexpected shutdowns. To further prevent crashes, consider lowering Roblox's in-game graphics settings. Reducing the quality can significantly decrease the load on your system, especially if you have an older device. Additionally, always update your graphics drivers to their latest version. Outdated drivers are a common cause of instability. Lastly, ensure both your Roblox client and operating system are fully updated to benefit from the newest bug fixes and performance enhancements. Sometimes, accumulated temporary files and cache data can become corrupted, leading to crashes. Regularly clearing Roblox's cache can resolve many common problems. If issues persist, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary to ensure all files are fresh and uncorrupted. Also, be mindful of any conflicting software, like certain antivirus programs, that could be inadvertently blocking Roblox from running smoothly, causing it to crash unexpectedly. For more advanced troubleshooting, try running Roblox in compatibility mode, especially if you're on an older operating system like Windows 7. This can sometimes resolve compatibility conflicts. Also, disable any browser extensions, particularly ad blockers, that might interfere with the Roblox website or client. If after trying all these steps, you still experience persistent crashing, do not hesitate to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. They can offer specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.